Namaste. This is your friend Ritika. Today I'm gonna share you a very simple, quick, and very effective home remedy for PCOD, thyroid, and also for weight loss. Nowadays, we are seeing so many people are suffering from PCOD and thyroid. Due to this, so many people are gaining their weights. So for these three problems, only one solution, that is amazing drink known as turmeric tea. This turmeric tea is not only tasty but also loaded with a lot of health benefits. This turmeric tea is the best way to start your day. Now first let me show you how to make this amazing drink.
Take a saucepan, add in 1 cup of water and bring the water to a boil. While the water boils, let the other ingredients ready into a mug or cup. Add half tablespoon organic turmeric powder into a mug or cup and 1/4 tablespoon freshly grounded black pepper. Now the reason why you need black pepper is that it helps the active ingredient in the turmeric known as curcumin to be absorbed faster into the body. Next we need to add the organic cow ghee. Then pour the hot boiling water and blend it for about 20 to 30 seconds. See that it turns into a nice golden turmeric latte. This turmeric tea in the morning will help to boost your metabolism, and it also helps to balance your hormones, reduce stress and manage allergy issues. This tea can be taken 2 times per day. Turmeric not only helps in weight loss but also boosts your immune system. In this pandemic, turmeric is very important. The turmeric tea is ready. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel.